The X-Line is our Copeland outdoor condensing unit. It can be used in a variety of applications such as walk-in coolers, walk-in freezers, and display cases. So the slim profile enables the X-Line to be installed in even the most confined spaces. So whether there's limited spaces, we can place that on the roof, behind the building, wall-mounted, or in the mechanical room of a location. And also, in addition to that, the quiet operation of the X-Line, it can be installed in even a very residential or highly commercialized area with close proximity to others. We've actually had QSRs give us the feedback that local residents of the area come in and thank them for putting in an X-Line because of the quiet operation and the difference the noise of the refrigeration system has been.
So we've seen applications where we've been able to significantly reduce installation costs using the X-Line. For example, with the X-Line's lightweight, we can sometimes avoid costly crane repairs or even shutting down a main street to get the condensing unit on the roof. That reduces cost and reduces complexity for the installation situation. We had one situation where the condensing unit was in a mechanical room, and the only way to get the unit out was to put a hole in the wall, in the brick wall. With the X-Line and its lightweight, slim profile, we're able to get that through the front door and eliminate having to put a hole in the wall and that repair, significantly reducing the installation costs. The X-Line is easy to install and has been successfully integrated with many different manufacturers' refrigeration systems. We've received a lot of great feedback from customers on the X-Line, both around its energy efficiency, its quiet operation, but also its reliable performance.
So our X-Line does meet the Department of Energy regulations for walk-in coolers and freezers, as well as being multi-refrigerant approved to address any regulations around refrigerants changes within our industry. The X-Line, being a distributed one-to-one type architecture, not only simplifies the installation and the maintenance cost, but the fact that it also qualifies for rebates and such a high energy efficient solution. It's a simple solution for quick serve restaurants.